So how do you know what's a good investment? Let's take a look at ROI and how you can use it to make better investment decisions. Let's go. Hi, I'm Chopdat, and this channel is all about helping you get started in your real estate investment journey. Consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notified about future updates. ROI stands for return on investment. It's the profit earned from your investment. In this case, I'll be using real estate, but you can use any asset class, whether it's bonds, stocks, anything you're investing in. It's typically been a very popular measure, probably because the results are measured as a simple rate of return. It's easy to look at a number and say that 15% is a better rate than I'm getting from a mutual fund. Let's take a look at an example. Let's say I'm interested in buying a property for 1 million rand to use as a rental. Because I'm using the bank to finance the property, I will put down 10% of my own money. This is the capital I am investing with. So, for the 100,000 rand of my own money, what do I get for my investment? The first step is to look at my rental income that I'm getting from this property and subtract that from my expenses. So I'm making 1,000 rand every single month, or 12,000 rand a year. Now bear in mind, this is a very simple version of this calculation. This 12,000 rand is commonly referred to by investors as cash flow. As investors, we're always looking for a positive cash flow. For most investors, this is an important metric for making investment decisions. But you might be asking yourself, what does this have to do with ROI? Let's take a look.
Alright, so let's take my annual cash flow and divide it by my initial investment, then multiply that by 100 to get my percentage. My ROI is 12%.
But is this a good investment? Well, it depends on the person and their financial goals. For some people, just having a positive cash flow is enough. There's no one rule that fits all. How I like to look at it is to look at other investment classes. Now, what do you think? I like to look at a good investment as anything above 12%, but this is just a personal choice. 10% might work for you. There are many ways to improve your ROI, such as increasing your rent, reducing your expenses, and lastly, controlling the amount of money you put in. But that's a topic for another day. If you like this topic, hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave a comment and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.